Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this handmade headband for baby using my fabric flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. These are the materials we need to make this headband. I have made a tutorial for this crochet flower. You can click the link here. For this little fabric flower, you can watch the tutorial here. Tutorial for this tiny fabric rose, you can click here. I bought this piece of fabric, but if you want to make it yourself, you can watch the tutorial here. And we are going to need stamen, some leaves, a piece of lace, felt fabric, an elastic band, and some tools like hot glue gun, scissors, and pliers. First, I will attach the tiny fabric rose to the crochet flower. Next, place this little fabric flower between them. Cut the stamen using pliers. And put the stamen between these two little flowers. Attach the leaves. Take this piece of fabric and put it here. Attach the lace. I will cut the elastic band before attaching it to the flowers. our baby headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this baby headband tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.